So today I've got a bullish bias. I've got my session highs and lows marked. We closed above yesterday's trading range. That's why my bias is bullish, and we broke out of this trading range. And I want to see us retrace back into it, tap it just a little bit, ever so slightly, and then have a continuation off of there. But once again, just because it's the week of Christmas, I don't see us getting the volatility to do it, especially with how Asian in London was trading. You know what I'm saying? Asian in London only traded in a 55-point range. Yeah, probably not gonna get that. Probably not gonna get that volatility this week. But we're gonna see. I'm just recording in case I actually take a trade.
All right, y'all. So price is breaking out to the upside. Let me actually do this right here. From the jump on the run, now walk away. All right, I want to see what this wick is. Where does the wick start for this candle? All right, and this is a gap. Oh yeah, price is more than likely going to sell off from here because we got a order block right here. This wick is right above an order block, and there is a gap at this candle. So let's see if we can get. All right, price is currently trading in this right now. I think if we can get a buy up to the beginning of this wick and the close of this candle. Yeah, the close of this candle. Then, and I want to see this before 10 o'clock, but really before 9:30. But I want to see us come up to here and see some type of rejection and break of structure that's going to indicate that we're going to sell off. But overall, I'm still bullish on the higher T's. Feel me? Still bullish. But I think we're going to see some type of rejection from here for sure, because this is a gap up that price is filling right now. Oh, chats. We got that push down. We saw the rejection we wanted. And then this is the 15. Yeah, at 9:30, we got a bearish engulfing. That's sub liquidity to the downside. And now we're getting that retracement up. Price swept, what is this, Asian? Price swept London low and damn near Asian. Now I'm still bullish for the most part, but I still don't like the fact that there is a gap below here, so I'm not going to try to trade against that, to be honest with you. Or I'm not going to try to get into a buy when there is a gap below here. Now, the thing is, though, if we were bearish, we would have got a close below London or Asian. We would have gotten a close below one of these lows if we were truly bearish. But this isn't enough for me. This isn't enough for me. So, hell, this could more than likely just be a no trade day. Yeah, more than likely a no trade day. Explain it. I can't explain it. Hold on. So, price cleared liquidity to the upside, sold off, and then closed with the buyers taking back over, but the candle still closed bearish, and it closed within the range of this candle. And then when I come down to the lower T's, it retraced only to, oh wait, let me pull the fib. It retraced to the 0.61, which is a typical zone for retracement entries. And it also closed as a evening star. So it made a lower high, retraced to this breaker block and the 0.61, then made an evening star. So I like this sell-off. on the 1 hour time frame, at least down to this gap. You feel me? And if I want to be modest, then I would say 50% of this gap. So I'll move my buy limit to like right there. And then I have my alert set for boom, 762 and 632. So time to go to the gym.
So entered at the close of this candle and price made this evening star, and boom, didn't have much drawdown on this trade. Price moved very decisively in my direction. Wound up tapping this gap. I had an alert set right at the beginning of it, and I wound up taking my profits literally right before price reversed direction. And I found myself saying to myself, damn, is it gonna go all the way down at least to 50%? I at least come down to 50% of this gap and get me to that 1400, get me to that full 1% day. Let me get that 2000 on the day. But I just wound up making 1300 on the day. I made 900 on the 150K account and 400 on the 50K account.